Hi guys, it's Dr. Orlando here. Just wanted to do a quick tutorial on the metric system. Just like we did in class, this will be a review for you, or if you didn't quite catch it then, hopefully you'll catch it now. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or call. Alright, so to understand the metric system, we learned this mnemonic device that helps us remember the order of the prefixes that go onto the units. So that mnemonic device is King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. And they stand for the prefixes. Kilo, hecto, deca, unit, we'll come back to that, deci, centi, and milli. Notice the capital letters over here, the K, H, and D, and the small letters over here, small d, small c, small m. Okay, with respect to the unit, let's look at the next page. So with metric base units, you're talking about measuring either mass, volume, or distance. So in mass, we use the base unit gram, abbreviation small letter g. For volume, we use liter, small letter L. For distance, we use the meter, small letter m. Okay, so those are our base units, GLM. All right. So let's go ahead and do a conversion. The way we're going to do a conversion is by starting at 1, whatever the problem gives us. We're going to start at that unit, and then we're going to jump our way to what we're looking for. So for example, let's do mass first here. Let's do 200 grams. 200 grams equals how many? Oh, let's go to milligrams. Okay, 200 grams to milligrams. So grams is the base unit, so we're going to start here. Okay, and we're going to jump. 1, 2, 3. And you can number them. 1, 2, and 3. So all you have to do, I like to write the number out separately, put my decimal point in, and then I'm going to add some zeros. Okay, and then I do the jumps. 1, 2, 3. So you can see we had to move our decimal point 3 spaces to the right because we jumped 3 spaces to the right. So we're going to write out with our 5 zeros now. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give it a comma. 200,000 milligrams. 200 grams equals 200,000 milligrams. All right. Very good. And I should recommend if you want to do these, before you see me do the answer, just pause it and then do your answer and then continue playing. All right, for volume, we're going to do 0.25 kiloliters, KL, equals how many liters? Okay, so we go up here to kilo, and we have to jump our way to liters. 1, 2, 3. Again, you can number them. 2, 3. So 3 jumps to the right. So you're going to write out what you're working on. And we're going to add a 0 there so that we can jump 1, 2, 3 and put our decimal point there now, which would give us 250 liters. Good. All right, now on to length. With length, we're going to do 2,531 centimeters equals how many kilometers? Okay. So we go ahead and we're going to do our jumps. We're going to start at centimeters here, and we're going to go to kilometers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can write that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we did 5 jumps to the left this time. So we're going to go ahead and write out 5, 3, 1. The decimal point is there to begin with. And we're going to have to move to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our decimal point will go there. So you should always put a 0 before your decimal point. It's always neater and people can see the decimal point much better. 0.02, running out of room, 531 kilometers is our answer. Okay, and I always like to tell you to make sure that these make sense. You can probably, I don't know if you can visualize, but you can visualize what a kilometer is. I'm sure you guys have heard of 5Ks. So 5 kilometers is a nice little run. So 2,531 centimeters isn't very long. We measure centimeters on a little ruler in class or on a yardstick. You can hear my dog growling in the background. He wants to go out. So just make sure that that makes sense. That kind of big number of centimeters is still a small number of kilometers. All right, have a great day. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm going to go let my dog out. Talk to you later.